Good day. Bureau of Fire Protection Camigan BFP Unit, 3rd Quarter 2024 Joint Meeting. Deployment of Fire Trucks. Mambahaw Fire Station, 3. Yumbing Fire Substation, 1. Mahinog Fire Station, 1. Ginsiliban Fire Station, 1. Sagay Fire Station, 2. And Katarman Fire Station, 2. Camigan BFP unit currently has a total of 59 personnel. There are 7 personnel at Office of the Provincial Fire Marshal, 19 at Mambahaw Fire Station, 8 at Mahinog Fire Station, 4 at the Ginsiliban Fire Station, 11 at Sagay Fire Station, and 10 personnel at Katarman Fire Station. Fire Safety Inspection Data. A target of 844 fire safety inspections is set to be conducted from July to September 2024, and currently, there have been a total of 888 inspected occupancies, achieving 114.37% of the target. Comparative inspection data and fire code fees collected. In the 3rd quarter of 2023, a total of 865 inspections were conducted, and 187,904 pesos fire code fees were collected. While in the 3rd quarter of 2024, there were 888 total inspections and 292,989.75 pesos fire code fees collected. Comparative suppression data. In the 3rd quarter of 2023, there were 7 total fire calls received, responded, and investigated, resulting in total damages of 284,900 pesos. In the 3rd quarter of 2024, there were 6 total fire calls received, responded, and investigated, with total damages of 642,500 pesos. Top 3 causes of fire. In the 3rd quarter of 2023, the leading cause of fire was electrical ignition caused by arcing, which often occurs from left-on electrical appliances in our homes, and this remained the same in 2024. The second cause in 2023 was open flames from cooking, such as those from copra dryers in our area of responsibility, which became the 3rd cause in 2024. The 3rd cause in 2023 was open flames from ravish fires, which then became the 2nd cause of fire in 2024. Top 3 structural fires. In the 3rd quarter of 2023, the top cause was residential fires, followed by industrial fires, and mercantile fires in 3rd. This remained the same in 2024. Oplan Ligtas na Pamayanan Strategy. Camigan BFP unit created a total of 8 community fire protection plans and formed 9 community fire auxiliary groups. This unit also conducted 251 house-to-house surveys, 14 fire prevention lectures, 14 seminars, and 14 demonstrations. Firefighting capability. This unit has a total of 59 personnel, with 50 assigned to the operation branch or section for fire suppression and other necessary tasks within the branch or section. Firefighting information. For everyone's knowledge, this unit has a total of 10 fire trucks. All standby fire trucks always have water stored to ensure a quick response in case of a fire. And nearly all our fire trucks have a capacity of 1,000 gallons of water. The question is, how long does the water last during fire suppression? The nozzle used for spraying water is 1.5 inches, which has a flow rate of 125 gallons per minute. So the water in our fire truck lasts about 8 minutes. If a 2 inches nozzle is used, it lasts around 4 minutes. Therefore, you can see that other fire trucks will need to refill their water to supply the first truck that responded to the fire. Fire trucks per age group. We have 6 fire trucks aged 0 to 19 years, 1 truck aged 20 to 29 years, 1 truck aged 30 to 39 years, and 2 trucks aged 40 years and above, for a total of 10 fire trucks. Emergency medical services. A total of 14 emergencies were responded to in 2023 and 6 in 2024. For non-emergency responses were conducted, there were a total of 33 drills in 2023 and 9 in 2024. And the standby first aid unit conducted 0 responses in 2023 and 1 in 2024. On September 1, 2024, Camiguin BFP unit together with the local government unit of Mambahaw held the inauguration of newly installed fire hydrants within Mambahaw area of responsibility. This unit also sincerely expresses gratitude for this project, as it will greatly aid in the quick suppression of deadly fires in our area. This is the update on the repair of the Mambahaw Fire Station building. This unit would like to thank the LGU Mambahaw headed by Honorable Inigo Jesus D. Romualdo, Governor of the Lone District of Camiguin, Honorable Xavier Jesus D. Romualdo, and Congressman Jordan Jesus M. Romualdo, and DPWH Camiguin. In September 2024, this unit conducted a 3-day MDRRMC enhancement training in the municipality of Mahinog to improve preparedness for any upcoming emergencies. 21 August 2024, Bureau Order Number AFS-2024-050, pursuant to Section 53 of the Implementing Rules and Regulations of the Department of the Interior and Local Government Act of 1990 or RA 6975. Ginsiliban Fire Station, Ginsiliban Camiguin BFP Region 10 with corresponding unit code 100402 is hereby activated. Signed, Chief Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Director Louis S. Puracan. Conducted fire safety inspection at Camiguin Airport, Binoni Port, billeting area, and program or activity venues before the fiscal year 2024 third quarter policy dialogue. Augmentation of BFP personnel at Camiguin Airport and Binoni Port during arrival and departure, billeting area, and program or activity venues to ensure the safety of the delegates of fiscal year 2024 third quarter policy dialogue. Updated hotline numbers. BFP Camiguin Provincial Office 0997-836-1992. Mambahaw Fire Station 0926-658-1035. Yumbing Fire Substation 0967-771-7245. Mahinog Fire Station 0926-554-4132. Ginsiliban Fire Station 0953-913-1959. Sagay Fire Station 0926-442-3822 and Katarman Fire Station 0967-665-8775. That's the end of my report. Acting Provincial Fire Marshal of Camiguin BFP Unit, Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr. Sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa.